Yo, China, give me like 2 seconds, man. Forward. I'm gonna just load up the app here so we can get straight into it. Wonder what the volume this so comment. Crack the volume. We're good, we're good, we're good. I mean, I put it up a little bit, see how this sound. That look good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that look decent, man. I can't lie. Me don't know how much I get. About 3 of them and give me. Work with that. Three of them I get, dog. Me have forward chat. Give me like 2 seconds. Yo, me a forward chat. Just give me like another extra 2 seconds, bro. Hold on, I'm just load up this before me kick off the stream. Me a forward. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of face cam because I'm even gonna use that on the stream. I don't use that yet. I'm gonna get rid of it again. I see there. Oh good. So chat, I wanna been up to do. You know how long I'm gonna stream? I think it's been like a month since the last time I streamed. Hold on then. You've go get too much car when I need that. But yeah, chat, my try we there back. My try my best for make sure I show up every day. You see me? My try cheer like on stream every day. The reason why I stop, the reason why I give streaming a break because I all have some things to do. You see me? But they start get busy like around streaming time, like the hours did change. So me used to go live like 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m. I start do some other stuff at 8 a.m. So that's why I'm really have to give like a streaming a break. But when they are back, you feel me? in a full effect. We're gonna run the analysis, get some levels mark up and see what we can do for the day. So right now it's 10 a.m. Now I have to go check if we have news. Let me see if we have news coming out. We have news, chat? Nah, no news. Yeah, we have like news at 3 a.m. but it's a yellow folder. That not really matter for real. I will not even go beer at 3 p.m. Think we're gonna be here until 11, 12, chat. You see me? Look like we just arrange though. That's all. Price just arrange. Hold on, chat. Give me like a second. We still run the analysis. Hold on. I try like screwing this right so. But open have been good though, you see me? My kinda as I'm saying, I make sure I start back with the streaming thing. I may have couple of text me on IG and ask me yo when you fall back live. I make you know I no quit. I no quit streaming, man. I actually enjoy streaming. I just get a break. I show me have some other things to do. Alright, so me screwing the first one. That chat, me I try freaking screwing this freaking the angle. After me screw this in, we start trading. Hold on. 10:02. Kinda late today. Chat. Tomorrow I make sure I start stream at like 8:30 or 8 o'clock. Cause usually I don't start streaming at 10. Cause it's like every once in a while. Every once in a while my stream is so late. Alright. So they're on the charts and now chat. You know how long I run an analysis and stream, bro? It's crazy. But let me just take a look at the time frames before me even say anything. Let me just see what's going on. Monthly candle bullish. Print a low at 44.03. Weekly candle close respecting. Never close above. But we're still bullish. Ciao. You have to let me get like an idea of like what's going on, then we can start like do some breakdowns or get some levels. So let me see. Weekly close respecting, we never close above. We have a level at 19. Yeah, we have a level at 50.36. This is level 1 for the price close above. May I say if price can actually close above this level? I think this is the weekly candle flip. Yeah. See the daily have like a support or a resistance level right there, so the price I try break. If you go on the 4-hour time frame, you see it way better. We have a resistance at 50.38. Structure, may I say, it's 4 structure, we'll push up and fill the range. So inside the thing, if price reject from 50.38 chart and flip bearish on the 4-hour time frame, we could look for some sales going down. If it's 4-hour candle flip bearish, and let me see, The 4 candle flip, is that the daily flip as well? Nah. So we could look for sells going down towards the daily flip. Sells on this 4 candle flip going down towards the daily flip, which is at 49.87. Range drop down to the hourly time frame. First thing I notice is a range. Hold on, I'm see. First thing I notice, chat, is a range and the hourly time frame. After consolidation, you usually get a manipulation, basically a fake out. We not get that yet. Price still haven't closed above. So I'm gonna load up a pen. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna get everything up. Alright, so I'm gonna see. Alright, this is what I'm talk about. So this is a range in, chat. You see me? From like 49. Why me can't even draw? See you. Can't drop on my chart, dog. Jaja. Always some freaking error. For some reason I can't draw chat. I don't know why. Always something, bro. Yeah, we'll just leave that alone for right now. But yeah, chat, as I'm gonna say, price a range. After consolidation, you'll expect a fake out, and we haven't printed a fake out as yet. So we could wait for that. Basically, like if this daily candle can like close above the range. Look at we did close above. Let me make sure. Yeah. Would I say chat would slightly close above the range. You see me? Slightly, bro. Still not look for nothing. Like, more to look for no buys as yet. Even though this candle like we just barely close above the range. There's still no buys as yet, chat. May I wait and see if this 4 candle can actually reject, push back into the range. That would lead to like the 30-minute candle pushing down. Sorry, not the 30. That would lead to the 4 candle flip. And as I'm saying, if the 4 candle flip, we could look for sales going down towards 49.87. That would have been like the idea. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for like a look of fake out chat. Cause yeah, after a range we usually get like a manipulation, like something like this. Price push down, price push up. Yeah, push down, push up, push back down, push up again, push down, and we'll push up. So this is basically what you call a consolidation. Is in my chat. You want to wait until price is something like this. We're gonna wait for a breakout, and whenever price breakout, we won't look for buys on the first breakout. If we break out to the upside, we won't look for buys as yet. We're gonna wait and see if price can actually close back into the range. Something like this, chat. Get a closure back into the range, we could look for sells at like 50.29. We could look for sells going down towards like the range fill and the hourly time frame, because as you can see, we also have a level at 50.07. Here's in my chat, or 06, sorry. So we could look for the range fill going down towards 06, but we just have to wait for like the fake out though. Once we get this, a fake out, and it could be in any direction. Either we print a fake out above the range or a fake out below the range. Like any direction, any direction price print the fake out in a first. But since we're almost at the top of the range, you'd expect, see, I may press the wrong thing. Since we're already at the top of the range, you'd expect price print a fake up to the a fake out to the upside, or grab liquidity up. Here's my chart since price already up, so basically this print a top wick and close back into the range. Here's my chart, simple as that. Nothing too complex, but that are the idea for the buys. Would I look for tech buys above range 2. Avoid range 1 breakout, because once price break out above range 1, it could easily be a fake out and price close back into the range. So buys above range 2 and sells after price like print a fake out. We're gonna wait until price grab liquidity and then we sell the market. And if price just continue to push up, sealer. If price just continue to push up, close above 5042.72, no buys for us. We're gonna wait until price break out a range 2. Basically, this is what I mean. Whenever I say range 2 buys chat, this is what I mean. If price push up, this can go push down, print a low, we print a high. If price push back up, chat, because this is where price there right now. If we push back up and we close above the high, I would call this a range 1 breakout. So after we close above, that's a range 1 breakout. I want to see price retest, close back above range 1, retest again, and this now chat, this right here, so would be range 2. So once price push up and close back above range 2, right, so we could look for buys above this level going up. Seal, I'm keep on to do that. Yeah, chat, we could look for buys above this level, right, so because this would have been range 2, this would have been range 1. Yeah, chat. So hopefully I understand that. So the second breakout, basically, so that's the idea for both buys and sells. So let me get some levels mark up now. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna continue down. I'm gonna skip out the 30-minute time frame. I'm gonna take a look at it. We have low 49.87. Price already top. New hourly candle opening. Hourly candle close bullish, slightly above the range. Price could easily push down towards either we reject from 50.28, or price go push all the way down towards like 50.17. Yeah, like a retest, and after the retest we could just continue up any one of these levels. And where could this one here? 50.18 chat. Basically, if you use historical data, you'll be able to see it. Like in the past when we close above, let me see. Yeah, because as you can see, this hourly candle close at this yellow line. I have a 50.39. If I go over here, so historical data, as you can see, last time we closed above this level, price was able to push down towards here. Alright, hold on, let me see. I can't even use my pen, dog. Chai, if I could have used a pen, it would have easier for me to understand. But message chai, every time we close above this yellow line, cause this is where all it can go close above the yellow line. As you can see in that pass, when we close above, price was able to push down towards 50.27.48, and then once we flip bullish, was able to fill the range. You can basically like see it right as a price. We get like a bullish closure above, price push back down to 50.18 this time. We break the lows right as a push down to 50.18, but we still was able to fill the range after price reject, fill the range. So if we go to like the current time frame, bro, we're gonna crash out, dog. I don't know why I was press that. If we go to the current time frame chat, see la. This hourly candle, we got 45 minutes left, so we still have enough time for this hourly candle to flip bullish, if we're going to flip bullish. So we're gonna wait for that. Once we print a low, flip bullish, buys above range 2, no range 1 buys. Yeah, and we could look for buyers go all the way up towards, let me see, let me go back, hold on. I can't go back so far. Alright, let me see. I mean, up on the 30. Yeah, chat. Service can go flip was able to fill the range every time. So Kulufa buy is going up towards like this our range one by the way. This a range one, this will be range two. Anything above here, so. Let me adjust this, put this up here, so. 50, 50, 53, put another level right here, so. 50, 47. And any closure above here, so the expect price will take us all the way up towards 50, 71. Or even like, yeah, so yeah, decent. 5063.82. So this would basically be the buy idea, chat. You see me? So let's see. Buys above 53, buys above 50, 53, and sells below this 4 can go flip. If this 4 can go flip at 50, 5006.92. So that's the idea, that's the analysis, chat. If you don't understand anything you don't understand, just ask a question. I'll be able to go right. Hopefully I understand though. Cause you have to understand, like that's the most important thing, chat. Whenever you understand like what you're getting into or what you're looking at. I think I say that every stream though, even after we take a trade, like I always say, yo, the most important thing is to understand the idea behind the trade. No matter if we win or lose, like you need to understand why you enter a trade, why your stop loss was where it was, why your TP, even understand why. If you enter a trade, chat, and you lose a trade, try to understand why you lose, why market push against you. Like you have to try to understand every single detail. I probably I just me that and I just some mistake, but I some go to work. I think I try to be a perfectionist. I think probably that's not like something good, but that's just the truth though. Like I like to understand like everything to like the T. Like for example, you see this hourly can go pushing down, chat. Even though I'm not in sales, you would want to understand like why this current hourly can go pushing down, even when you're not in the trade. Like basically like structure wise. If you look at the YouTube video I posted the other day, it was I was basically like reacting to my mentor, explaining like structure and like structure within the higher time frame. So if you're looking at this hourly time frame, obviously like you just see a bearish candle coming down, but when you track like the micro movements within the higher time frame, then you get to understand why this hourly candle coming down. You get what I say, chat? Like for example, if this hourly candle open up, print a high, forget my cannot draw. No? The drawing tool just not working, bro. Drawing tool not work. But yeah, chat, on the hourly time frame, you won't be able to see that much, but you just see a bearish candle. But when you drop down to like the smaller time frame, you see how we was able to like push down like the structure within the higher time frame, if that makes sense. Cause every higher time frame candle chart we have structure within it. Look at this like bullish candle. At this bullish candle. You just see one push up, but this is because you're looking at the hourly time frame. If you drop down to like the lower time frame, like the 5 or the 1 or even the 15, you would probably see something like this. Hourly can go open up yourself, push down, print a low, can have a draw. Push down, print a low, can go push up, print structure, or probably range a little bit. Then after price breakout, sorry for drawing though, but you get the idea. After price breakout, retest, so price push up again, range, then we pop. Yeah, pop and then price reject. So look chat, all of this movements, all of this one we just draw out. See la, why am I click on the wrong thing? I'm gonna delete that. We don't need that. All of this one we just draw chat is basically like the micro movements within the hourly time frame. Cause as I said, the hourly candle, you're just gonna see a bullish candle. But if you drop down to the smaller time frame, you see the exact reason why we're bullish. Price push up, push back down, retest. We was able after the retest, you can see price close below, print a fake out, push straight back up, close back above the high. Price close above the high, retest, and we just continue up. So this help you like understand like what's inside the higher time frame, the micro movements. And you know that this is something like I'm trying to like nah, this are the same video chat I react to yesterday, or it was day before yesterday. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go look at the YouTube video, bro. YouTube video got more in depth, cause I react to it. But yeah, hopefully I understand that though. So chat, we go like sample size it. You see me? We go like work on it. So within 8 minutes, we're going to track the next 30-minute candle chat. You see me? We're going to track like the micro movements within the next 30-minute candle. So now I have like a better understanding. Cause I just explain it to you, but now I show it to you in like 7 minutes. So whenever this 30-minute candle close, we're gonna start draw like the 30-minute candle, like small movements, like the micro movements within the 30-minute candle. But the next one though, not this one. And try, if I can like leave a like on the stream, would I appreciate that. If I could leave a like, cause whenever you leave a like, YouTube push the content more whenever you like the stream. So drop a like. Respect for that. Nah, tell no lie. The streaming kind of feel good though. Through a long time, I not stream. Now that I'm fall back, kind of feel good. And chat, since recently, I started trading VIX. Nah, gonna lie, bro. Well, give me a second, chat. As I'm saying, nah, gonna lie. If VIX trading, well, I'm gonna skip this. Alright, good. Yeah, as I said, I start trading VIX recently. You see me? And the VIX trading, bro, I kind of rate it. Whenever I trade VIX, as something I notice with VIX do a chat. You see, like, it's way different from gold. And like, I'm not talk about like just the pair itself. I talk about the movement. Like how VIX move, way different from how gold move. And the wicks them, like on the VIX 30, the wicks are something I noticed with the wicks. I see whenever the candle like close below and it print a top wick, we usually respect that high. Like for example, let me see if I can show you an example. Like on gold. Alright, look. You see on VIX, bro, this is something I noticed. Say you took a sell like right here, and you have your stop loss and the candle high. Right, so the same candle where you execute point, you have your stop loss and the high. You see me? So you have your TP, right, so. So I think with VIX, bro. See, once VIX print a top wick and you put a stop span high, you see the next candle usually respect the high. Like basically I mean like next candle won't break this high. If you got like the direction right and price actually going to push down like a stop loss on the current candle high and you're good. Bro, that's when I realized that, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? Could never be gold, bro, cause with gold chat I actually increase my stop loss though. I figure if I tell you now, my stop loss is not 160 pips not anymore. My stop loss is 400 pips. Yeah. Increase my stop loss like a month ago. The reason for that is because gold ranges, bro. It's because of the ranges on gold. And that match I shown I just that a difference. On VIX, you can use a current candle like high as a stop loss. Bro, you don't want to try that on gold, bro. Use a 5-minute candle low on gold. I promise you, your stops getting hit within like a minute candle. 1 minute candle hitting your stop loss, bro. I swear. I start trade VIX per stream though. But after like a couple months. Because I just started trading VIX like, I would say like 3 weeks now or 2 weeks now. So after a couple months of trading it, then I start live trade VIX. We'll catch some 1 to 2, 1 to 3s and live stream. Here's in my chat, but I just are gonna like get used to it right now. Cause it move way different, bro. It's not even similar to gold. VIX just move different. But I said chat, VIX just move proper. You see, gold have a lot of weird, like gold a lot of weird stuff, bro. Like gold with a freaking push back up when you never need to. Gold with a print a fake out just because. You feel me? Like you get the direction right, but gold just have to do some wild shit before it pushing in your direction. VIX though, on the other hand, VIX just trend properly. If you see a breakout and a retest, it just like trend, bro. No wild liquidity movements, no over there, no weird breakout. And next thing I'm gonna notice, no huge top wick no over there either. So I go even right as a chat on this bearish candle. We have like a huge top wick push all the way up to 50, 42. Yeah, cause that no exists on VIX. That's my experience though. I never see like a huge top wick, bro. Once I use the current candle high, you're good. And that also depends on your strategy too. Like it depends on your strategy where you trade and your entries, how you enter a market. So probably that no go for everybody if you trade like a whole different strategy. But me personally do a chat like, trust me bro, if VIX it moves sweet. Man, I gotta stop trade gold though. Like gold I like my main pair. So the main thing I trade. But I just like go over VIX every now and then cause bro, I catch a 1 to 8, bro. After I catch a 1 to 8 is like I just hook. I caught a 1 to 8 chat like a week ago. And then after I catch like a 1 to 3. Profit. We went in like went in profit like couple 1-to-1s and get stop out at break even. So man, I say VIX trading sweet, bro, man. I just like get like what I say, what I get like 2-3 months, and then I start trade VIX on stream. I start catch some 1 to 2s, so 1 to 3s, bro. But chat, as I said though, I never stop trade gold though, cause I like gold. I actually like gold trading. Hopefully my something thing not dead. Load up a journal. Dog post, dog live. Weeks 9 and in data. Weeks 9 actually teach me a lot to chat. This guy right here, I learn a lot from him. Him and Danvo. Chat, remember we're waiting on a range 2 breakout. So this hourly can go flip bullish after we print a low, cool. So let's see if we can get a closure above. And after a closure above, we're gonna wait. Cause that's like the first breakout. We're gonna wait for the second breakout, chat. Breakout a range 2. So now we're pushing up above range 1. Let's see if we can get a breakout and a closure above. Well, a closure above is a breakout. Same thing. But that's what we're waiting on. The next thing that go on. Bro. Well, we are push. Just as that, you know. So chat, we break out. Once I realize what my lines in there. Well, I never have no lines for my chart. Once I realize the lines in there for my chart, bro. Alright, let me just get some new lines. Bro. Joke thing. Alright, that's the breakout though. And as I'm say, we're gonna look for buys on range 2 breakout. So if this is range 1, you don't want to see price push up, chat. You don't want to see price push up. Tap range 2, reject. And if price push up again and break above range 2, right as a price push up again, break above this level, we'll look for buys going up. So may I adjust this yellow line. Would I say buys above Yasa? Buys above Yasa. Would that be decent? Yep. Buys above Desa chat. That would have be range 2 buys. Would I wait for some rejection? Would wait for some rejection, cause remember, as I'm say, price are close above. Once the price close above range 2, reject. And if we re-break the highs, That's the buys. So push up, nice. Um, can we reject top 50.49 and then re-break the highs? We look for some buy position chat. It's most likely going to be a market execution. We look for buys going up towards this level. Measure that. It's like 50. Or we could go risk free. High right there, so that'll be 166. Just that right. That's on break even would that be. Would I got break even right? Yeah, so yeah. The chat. I'm gonna say if we top 49. No, we came close. We haven't we have a top 49 as yet. But yeah, if price top 49, close back above, rebreak the high, would look for some buys on the rebreak of the highs. Break even would that be at 59.34. That's break even. And would I look for close for like 66. Yeah. So that would have be the idea, chat. I'm gonna say stop, so that be at the candle flip. Yeah. Stop, so that be on the 4 candle flip. Not the 4, the 30-minute candle flip. That's like 200 pips. 200 pip stops. Or the low, well, it can go lower 300. Alright, chat. So we just top 49. Let's see if this candle can reject now and close back above 54. $10 million a day at the least. Yeah, the definition of family. Speed off. Jesus. Wait, these I'm a beamer. We have like a minute left until this 5 close. 20 minutes on the 30. 6 minutes on the 15. We have 5 minutes left, chat. So as I'm gonna say, we already top 49. So let's see if this if we can get like a closure back above 54. If that happen, we'll look for some buys. Yeah. And if this 15 minute candle close above in like the last minute, we'll wait because the next 15 minute candle going to need a bottom wick, even if we're going to drive up. So we'll wait for the next 15 minute candle print a low at like 49, 50, 49 if we close above like 53 or 54. And if we close respecting, if we close like, if we don't close above, we'll just wait. We'll just wait for the next 15 minute candle check, like, cause we're still in the range, you see me? We have 3 minutes left until this candle close. Alright, chat. As I'm say, Melo for buys above 54. Minute candle flip bullish. Can we get a closure above 54? Yeah, at the last 15, yeah, last 15 minutes, the only candle usually reject. Last 15, I only candle usually reject, so we might have to wait check. We might go off a wait. Cause even if we push above 54, 50, 54, if we close above, the buys going up would be decent. The only issue is this hourly candle. And the last 15 minutes of the hourly candle we usually reject. So that's the only issue, chat. This hourly candle, you might start to see some rejection. So we might just wait for a closure instead, like wait for like a hourly candle closure or a 30 candle closure. But let's see though. See what happens. Yeah, chat, we're gonna need this 15-minute candle to print a low. This 15-minute candle above we open up, we're gonna need to print a low. If we could push down towards 49, 50, 49, and then flip bullish, that would be decent. We could still attempt buys, but if not, then we're gonna just stay out. Yeah, we're gonna just wait. I'm gonna see some. Any closure below is sales going down would be decent too. We'll close above. Retest. Let me see some. $13. So we're gonna wait for like 49 get top. Like we need to see this ever get top. Or we can adjust it like a little bit higher and put it at like right so. As you can see right on this level. This one we have over here so. What 51.25. Yeah. And since we already top 59, let me see, in the past, whenever we top 59 and we'll close, where the candle close? With a level up on the candle. Closure. 56, 50, 56. Last time we closed below 56, we print a top week price was able to reject. See all them bearish candle have fall down after we top like, we top this level. Yeah, so that's why I'm say sales going down with a look clean, cause this I think that like since price closed below like 56, we'll push up and we'll print a high at 59. Now we'll flip bearish. This is what price there right now. If we forget like a closure below, like any closure below, like when I say like either 49 or 48, any closure below any one of the level here, we could wait for a top wick at 51 and look for sales going down towards like 40. Yeah, 40 levels. So that could be the idea for sales chat. So I'm just mark this up real quick, put that there, move this, yeah, it's the right one, put this down so, put this down so that'll be sales idea if price close below. So push down, we almost top 40, we almost top 51, price flip bullish, rebreaking the highs. This could push chat, but no buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. We're gonna wait until this 15-minute candle like close. Not the 15, the hourly. Yeah, we're closing at like 11 minutes. We're gonna wait until the hourly candle close, chat. We never top 51. We never top 51 and price already print a high at 59. So this push up, I mean, I really trust this push going up, chat. So may I stay tight. See how far price forward. Came like 13 pips away from 51. So since we never top chat, I just stay out, bro. If price push, like, don't feel FOMO. It is what it is. Yo, best sample money now. I will say that. I just as I post it, how long never post this? No, I see it, bro. I swear. That they clean though. Touch a while, man. I don't know chat, but as I'm telling you, we just have to wait, bro. You see me? Cause this last 15 minutes at the hourly candle usually reject. On top of that, we never print a low at 50.51. So I just have to wait. Cause I have to make sure everything aligned before I take a trade. And if left this candle push all the way up towards 66, I just GG's, bro. I'm just gonna stay out. Cause like need the levels them forget top. I like everything have to like line up from enter. Bro, this candle just a joke. What did I expect that chat? If this candle print a fake out chat, if we close bearish on this 5-minute candle, and if we close bearish on this 5-minute candle, hourly candle, like we still got 5 minutes left until the hourly candle close. We could wait until like 5-minute candle close bearish. If the next 5-minute candle close back above like 59 or even 56, then we could look for attempt buys. But we just have to wait like 5 more minutes, 6 more minutes actually. Hopefully background music not too loud, bro. I'm gonna like background music just louder than my voice. You know, it's a painting I just choose for not work today, bro. It just yeah, I tell you. Joke thing. I restart I guess I have to restart my PC, bro. But I'm not gonna do that. If I restart my PC, stream I got in. So that's an upper stay, bro. Sometimes I open it up. Most of the time it work, you know. Sometimes I open up it up and it just glitch. Just start bug out, bro. Some error you never see yet. We have 3 more minutes left. Patience, chat. You see me? Like, have patience when I share this. I do this trading shit, bro. Require a whole heap of patience. I'm gonna try something I look for. I try to see some. Bro, you can't go just glitch. Yeah, you can't go, bro. You can't go even push down, dog. I swear, I never see when this can go forward, dog. Can't just open up and glitch with that topic. But chat, may I look for buys? You know, I already know. We could get some buys on the rebreak. You could get some buys on your re-break, but this I think though, we're gonna need this candle for push down first. At least like 55. At least 50-55. I may have this yellow line chart. At least, bro. Then more place buy stop on the re-break at the highs. Expect price to push up towards 66, 50, 66. And break even would be at 5063.65. Alright, that's all. Came like 10 pips away. 10 pips away. I go wait. As I'm gonna say, if this can go push, bro, I just say go. Because this might be enough. It might be. But you can't feel for much height, you just have to like be patient, you see me? If push close above the range, then we just adjust the levels. Get some new levels. If we're not getting a trade by 12, I might just call it a stream. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, I call it a day. Like that I pop. Alright, so we'll see if we can like get a closure above chat. We'll just adjust the levels. That would be what? Break even. So that'd be risk free on this trader right now. Soon as we tap 63. That's why I got chat. We came like 10 pips away. That's the only thing, bro. Came like 10 pips away from entry. That's that rough, but I just say I go trading. Alright, chat. So since we basically fill the range, we're gonna just adjust, delete all of this, get some new levels, mark up some new ideas. You see me? Just get this markup real quick. Let me see. Make sure the hourly can go low. I chat salute. Basically this holy candle may I pre you see me. So if we have like a print structure upon this holy candle, push down towards like 61, get closures above like 58. I'm adjust this and the rebreak at the highs. Like that's a get closure above 69, 50, 69. We could look for more buys going up, but we would wait for rejection first. And we could look for sales below like 50, 54. Yeah, 50, 54. And the rebreak at the hourly candle low. Well, after the hourly candle rebreak is low and close below 54, we could look for some sales. You see me? Sales going down towards. Let me move this. We put this right on the lows right, so yeah. Sales going down towards 47. That would have been decent. So that's our idea, chat. So just wait and see if this candle can actually like re-break its lows and close below 54. I know, I swear. Boy, you know what I figure? Hold on, I'm missing something. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds. Me fall. Oh, see it there. So I think I lost my last, you know. Chat, me still look for some buys, you know. But before, well, okay, me look for buys, but before me take some buys, more say more see some rejection down towards at least like 60 levels. At least, bro. Yeah. More see some rejection first. After we get some rejection, then a rebreak at the highs would be decent for buys going up towards like 84, 83 levels. But I just wait for that though. Got what 20 minutes left. Let's see which part is hourly can go open up. You said me I got track hourly can go now. Remember you said that earlier. Let me see. Open up right so push up. Reject print a low at 63. Go back on a higher time frame. So these swear thing price push back down further though. Alright. Before I do that chat, I'm gonna say something. I'll make sure they are on point. Yeah, so I'm just you wanna make sure like my levels ain't good. I'm more like price print is like I'm more information I get. So that's why I'm keep on adjust my levels them. Whenever I really have like one level, be like a whole stream. So that's like a major level of like the higher time frame, but going up on like a smaller time frame, 5, 15, 30. When I really have like one level. More price print will just adjust. But we just have wait check cause as you can see, may have a level at 52, may have a level at 69. May I wait for price either break above or break below. And I'm gonna say alright, but we'll check your time frame check. Now we tell we track this, so we'll do that. Think price open up, price push down, tap that level, price pop all the way up, then we reject. Alright, so that's how we basically there right now. Yeah, I see what I mean. Like if I don't understand, that's what I mean. I just track that 30 minutes, yeah. So chat, all this is I just adjust like the 30-minute time frame, like the micro movements within the 30-minute time frame. So you see this bullish candle, this 30-minute bullish candle, basically price open up, price open up right so we push down, we push down towards like right so we have a white line, price push back up and then price reject. So that's how we are draw the 30-minute candle, like basically what to do the micro movements, and we are use that for like as like confluence. Price open up and we'll just pop. Alright. Let's open up here so and we'll just push straight up towards this high. Right there so. and I will straighten that. In price retest. And then rebreak the highs yet. But try see this as something more I do more often cause I try like implementing strategy. You see me? I already do it, but like me usually like track it like the time frame like just in my head. Cause when I look on the chart, basically I track it, but when I draw it out, I saw you can follow. We do it follow with what me I do. You see me? So I start do this more often on stream. Cause the thing is, it's like whenever I'm dry out, even me like me get a better understanding. Just arrange. Me have the words dry, you know. I say it still. I know I'm a dry and all that, but I get like a basic idea though. I've got to start draw more often, and then I go like get it. Finally break. So as you can see, we basically break the previous high where we did print. You see me check like we like as you can see with the push up, it's like a top, so like a highest point. So like price push down towards right, so push up. Can see we push back down, we just arrange, we print a high right, so price push down. And now that will push back up, we basically break this high. So we say like price should be able to push up towards like the recent high and re-break like the current candle high. So we see. And as I said, these are just basically, I just attract like the micro movements within like the higher time frame chart. Guys, you can see upon this 30-minute candle is just like a bullish candle. But the drawing, I will basically happen within this bullish candle. You get me? Like this drawing. So now you understand the structure what we have within the bullish candle. That's all it is. There you go. The rebreak of the high. Let's rebreak the highs. Pop. Alright, I'm gonna see how much like hold on. It's way higher. Right, yeah, so got 7 minutes left. Alright, I'm gonna see some. Still I watch that chat. We just want like adjust this real quick. Since we pop above that high. Or also which range. Which range will close above. So that'll be like a resistance. It'll even be better. Yeah, chat. So my if it buys above 83. Buys above 83 would be decent. See if price can push up towards that level. Buys above 83 would be decent. And if we might be able to get buyers before chat, but it depends on how this can go close in 5 minutes. But until then, if we just pop straight up towards 83, we could look for buys above 83. Hold on, this was 78. I'm gonna say 78 levels. Like the early. Got 34 minutes left. Okay. Hey, that was. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Wrong place, me have my thing. Let this up, put this right. Yeah, so. Right, let's save for there. Alright, so break the highs again. We're gonna need some rejection though, chat. I have my level at 50, 80. We're gonna need some rejection down towards 54. We can reject down towards 54. I'm gonna place buy stop on the rebreak of the high at 50, 80.00. but price would have to top 54 first. Then my place buy stop. And the rebreak at the 15-minute can go high. Price. Wait, myself. We said 54. Sorry, chat means 74. So now that we reject, my place buy stop and the rebreak at the highest chat. Once this can start to push back up, or if we start to push back up, my place buy stop on the rebreak at the highs. So yeah, that's the idea. Buy stop gonna be at 5080.00. As I'm gonna say, that's basically the rebreak of the 15-minute candle high. I think price pops straight up, yeah, and then we reject. Break the lows. Ready to make candle over close now. Alright. We'll see if we can have a close above. A closure above 75 would have been decent. I could even look for buyers and like the 30-minute candle flip instead. So chat, we get the basic idea though. Like when you track like the micro movements in the higher time frame, you see a forward out. Alright, so close, we'll pop back up. I'm gonna see some. I wish I this 30-minute candle close or close below. Yeah. Don't count out the sales they need a chat. We could look for sales like below right so. Once price break back below this structure, we could look for some sales. Because this should have a break a structure. And how me get for like get this level chart, I basically have a structure be a jar. Because this our price open up, we print a high, see price start for range, it could be we print a low right so. And after price pops straight up, we fall back down, 30-minute candle close, we push up, think right aside 30-minute candle closure, yeah. And then we'll push up on the 30-minute candle closure, we'll pop straight up. So this I think if we print a top wick, this 30-minute candle flip bearish. This would have been the flip right so. We would wait until price push down and break this structure right so. So once price push down and break this level chart, we could look for sales go down towards like the range fill. Or we could look for sales go down towards this level. So I'm gonna go adjust my levels real quick. I'm gonna put this right here so. This would be break a structure right here so chat. Could look for sales there so. we could wait for a top wick print right. Yeah, so could wait for that. And we could look for like close for like 63. That are the new idea chat. And as I'm say, I basically have a structure my draw where I work with. You see me? So I'm gonna remove them for right now. So that are basically how you use it, chat. You see me? Basically how you use it when you track the micro movements. Hopefully I understand. Delete all of them. So now, chat, as I'm gonna say, I look for cells below this level, below 68. Once price break below, if we can get like closures below, not only a top, price would have to close below. You see me? Actual closure. If we just tap a level, price could just reject. So I'm gonna wait for like at least like a 5-minute candle closure below. Or if not, we could look for take some weekend buys. Weekend buys could be at put a level right. Put a level for weekend buys. 63 look decent. I have too much level on my chart. I'm gonna delete some of them I chat. I like when the chart have too much lines. Alright, we're good. This candle have a no wick. It's a no wick candle at what? 63 would have been decent. Since the structure is bullish. Yeah. So chat, if we don't get the sales, we could look for weekend buys chat. Once price like close below. Not close below, once price top. Once price top, we would market execute buys. Since the structure already bullish, should be straight. But I gotta wait for closure as I'm say. Closure is 5-minute candle close in like what 30 seconds. So if we close below, once the price print a top wick, that can happen. Sales would be decent. If not, we'll probably get some weekend buys at like 51. Let's see. Alright, chat can go close without a week. So that basically just invalidate everything. So may I stay out of this chat. Just because this 5-minute can go close without a week. Whenever that happens, the next can go likely for reject. This is how I always say in I stream. Like whenever I can go like push down and close with like no wick, that mean a wick is a range. Whenever I close without no wick, that mean when I have no range. So this 5-minute candle is more likely to reject and push up bullish chart. Not 100%, but most of the time the next candle reject. So no wick entry sells, cause more expect this candle for reject. And if it don't reject and push down and fill the range, we just adjust and look for buys at 51 levels. But yeah, chat, keep that in mind, chat. A wick is a range. Whenever I can go close without a wick, that means we have no range. I have something my mentor teach me. And this is something on my sample size as well, chat. You can start sample size it now. Like whenever you see I can go close like this, wrong thing, I click on. You can sample size it for yourself, chat. You don't have to just take my words for it. Whenever you're trading and you see I can go close like this without no wick, watch the next candle. It's like a high chance it reject. So just watch the next candle and see if it actually reject. And see like out of 10 times how much time it happen. Like, you get my chat? That's how you can just sample size it for yourself. Get like data on it. You just watch it. Every time I see a no wick angle, you watch it. And see if out of 50 times how much time it actually reject. And you can actually implement that in your own strategy. So that one candle basically invalidate everything, chat. Price can still drop, but I just could enter though. Yes, it make even if price did reject and fill the range, then a GG's mother just stay out of that. Me a fall, chat. Give me like 2 seconds. Hold on, I'm gonna see. Hey chat, me there what? And you see chat, we basically was right. And this candle, this one candle, as soon as we see this, we just have to adjust and the plan change. As soon as we see this no wick candle, as I'm saying, a wick is a range. Whenever like a candle close with no wick, the next candle likely for reject. So sample size it for yourself and see out of 10 times like how much times it happen. Cause for me, most of the times, when I say I'm like 8 out of 10 times, they don't have to take my word for it. Like just sample size it for yourself. Whenever you see a no wick candle, just look at the second candle. You should be able to reject just like this one. Adjust to the rebreak of the lows, check. We have to do that. Put that back at a 64 levels. Almost 12 o'clock. As I'm saying, if 12 o'clock, if 12 o'clock forward and when I get no entries, I just call it a day. Just call it a stream. I see it, bro. I second one that you send me. Bro, later on before I trade VIX, dog. Yo, I trade VIX later 8 o'clock. I not go live stream though, cause as I'm say, I not go like, I just start trade VIX like 3 weeks or 2 weeks now. I'm kinda like it, but I just stick to like goal, cause this is what I do. You see me? Well, like, I see each 8 o'clock anytime they have a low and VIX me up on. Low and VIX I go for some 1 to 3. You can call it a weak fill. Weak fill. Oh, the range going up. 40. Oh, there'll be stops. 230. Well, that'll be risk free. Now if a buy is above 79 chat, I'm put up on a rebreak at the highs at 80. The rebreak at the highs. Buys above 80. Oh, I see. Then see what I going. But chat, you already know it's like price will have a push up, rebreak the highs, reject, and then would I place some buy stops on the rebreak at the highs. This can go reject now. If we reject and then rebreak the highs again, would I get activated in buys? Well, we need to see this can go reject first before we place buy stop chat. Buy stop going to be at 5080.94. That's when I place buy stop. 94. Yeah. 5080.94 chat. Just place buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. No market execution, because you would expect this can go to reject only like going, I only like get activated if price rebreak the highest chart. Only gonna get activated when the rebreak of the highest. No market X. Can't even move my thing. I'll see there. Right, that's so. Yeah, I'm just, I know, I'm gonna remove that. Clear up a little bit. And I like. So, cham, I got buy stop on the rebreak at highs, you know. I delete it if we close below the range though. Once, if price start close below the range, then we'll look for delete buy stop. Wait. So we are move. Nah, bro. Stop following me up, dog. How much you have? So, sorry, I'm gonna get like 3. That good? Alright, and I say I heard. Just let me know. Now if you watch this, bro, coming on, they lock off for me. Like I said, I link him, I can't get film phone. Ah, boy. A joke thing. Can't take that one that serious. Yeah, right, that's how I put it up. Very decent. Nine minutes left chat until it's all it can go close, bro. 9 minutes. Feel like we're wait for days. Years me I wait for. Nah, like a price action on gold. I true we kinda in a like a choppy range right now. You see me? Range kinda chop. But price action on gold today, would I get like a 6 out of 10. That's a above average. But in all that, there's slightly above average. I'm gonna say price action bad, but in a good. I rate it like a 6. Bro, people keep on to ask me about my stop loss, dog. Channel, dog. Yo, bro. I question me get asked the most in my entire life, bro. That one question people ask me most. It's like, I understand why they ask, you know. I understand why they ask, and it makes sense why they ask, but the only thing that piss me off is because, like, I don't even know how much people ask me that same thing there. It's like, me have to go build a script and copy and paste a script to everybody, bro. One script there. It's like, that's all people ask me. Yo, why your stop loss so big, bro? But that's it. Brother, you're a fucking idiot. You just start trade. I next way your thing for turn. I ask my thing turn, so. How many have it? No, in long position. It ask my thing turn, so. That's it. It ask me if me a fucking idiot. I rang where my turn it. I rang where my turning tool. Yo, I have a laugh, bro. Actually, you don't even know about purpose. It's like negative RR just shock people. I don't know what I'm gonna say because I know my stop loss increase. 160 pips again. I know my stops are 400. So, no, them I got ball. 160 pips, my risk, bro. 160, as I can see, him lose 400, right? So. But I basically like 160, 180, 120, like around that range. You know, my thing increase, bro. I know it's 2:30 and leave like a day after that. 12 o'clock, I leave up right, so. I go stream past 12, you see me? Now I go stream past 12. You know, I may always have a chart, so. Can we get a closure above? Chat, I still got buy stops in the chat. Still got buy stops and the rebreak at the high. Yeah. But most likely going to delete them though in 2 minutes. Because we would need this 15-minute candle to flip bullish and rebreak its size. If this 15 close bearish, we're going to delete buy stops. Any type of bearish closure in like a minute and 20 seconds, we're gonna delete buy stops. And me I could delete buy stops. I idea basically after the 15 and the 30. So if this can go down rebreak the highs, we'll have to. We don't want like the next candle for activate it. I idea after the 15 and the 30. So that the whole way will get like activated that this can go after rebreak its size. Not then we'll call it a stream. That's at 12 o'clock right now. So I'll just call it a day. I'll be there tomorrow though. I'll be streaming tomorrow. Yeah. Wait, tomorrow and Tuesday? Yeah. I'll be streaming tomorrow, chat. But yeah, we're gonna close below a range. We're gonna basically close below range. So I'm gonna delete buy stops right now, chat. And delete buy stops. I'm gonna call it a day. Delete it. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day, chat. You see me? Price never rebreak the highs. Close below the range. New 30-minute can go open. Look like price close respecting narrow close above. Sealer. Let me see. Print a low. Yeah. Sells that one. The rebreak at the 30-minute candle lows look decent. But you'd have to wait for your top wick first. A top wick at, let me move this. A top wick, well, I said try a top wick at 77. Yeah. Top wick at 77. Once price top 77 sells and the rebreak at the lows. Got clean range going down. But I'm not gonna take that though, cause at 12 o'clock I just have to like follow my rules. Once it hit 12 o'clock, I just have to call it a day. I'll be trading VIX. VIX after this, bro. I probably in a couple hours. But yeah, chat. Something like this mode I look for if I'm still up on the chart. I wait for like a rebreak of the lows, but after we push all the way up, price will have to push all the way up first. We need a steeper top weight than that. But yeah, I just call it a day though. I fall back tomorrow, cause it's already 12. So chat, if you're still up on your stream, drop a like, drop a sub. You see me? Cause you have to like your stream so YouTube can show you out to more people. That is it though. I'm there tomorrow. I make sure I'm stream tomorrow. So yeah, me soon. Me soon in late. Hold on.